Hi, my name is Kendra Price, and I want to invite your teen to ChemLife, my online high school chemistry course. In ChemLife, we will explore the world around us at the atomic level and understand how chemistry is involved in everything we do, from the food we eat, to the clothes we wear, to the technologies that we use around us every day. Each week, students will have access to over 100 hours of tutorial videos, fill-in-the-blank notes, and a live, engaging, interactive online chemistry session with yours truly. Formalized assessments at the end of each unit will provide your teen with instant feedback as to their content mastery of chemistry concepts. Additionally, virtual labs will provide them with an opportunity to apply what they've learned to relevant chemistry experiments. At the end of the course, they will receive a certificate of completion and a letter grade. If an engaging, textbook-free, interactive, live chemistry course with access to a chemistry teacher with over 10 years of teaching experience is what you're looking for, register for live class sessions starting September 1st.